Okay, I wanted to do a video real quick on cleaning the shower doors. I've done this before, but I didn't do it to where you guys could actually just really see the dirt, and it's really been hard to play with the lighting in the bathroom from the standpoint that I just haven't had very much luck. So here I finally have come in. That's a little bit of cleaner. I finally got the lighting right where you guys could finally see this. These are the Norwex cloths that I have done other videos about. And I might have to wet it down just a little bit more because I was using it earlier on the other door, or on the other sidewall. And it's dried a little bit since then, so give me a second. There we go. I'm going to pause this and keep wiping so you guys can see. Actually, you might want to... I'll keep rolling, but I'm going to close the door so you guys can actually physically see me wiping it, and then we'll come back to it. And in fact, you can see a bunch of watermarks right here as well. And these watermarks are from where I rinsed the shower after I cleaned it. Watermarks up here. Because water will come between the glass here and come out and splash this when I give it a good clean. And a good scrub with a scrub pad. I give it a good hard clean once a week because of where Edward works. And then he comes home and it just is such a mess. He works in a brewery, so the hops and the yeast and all of that just are a terrible mess when it's all over your skin. And I've only done from waist up. I really don't feel like, because it's drying so quickly, I really don't feel like I need to take this cloth, but we'll do this step anyway for you. I feel like I need to get right here better against this seal. Some of that's on the inside too. How's that? Guys, I know I've bragged about these cloths. I just can't say enough. It is so nice when you do not have to use harsh cleaners, cleansers. You don't have to have... Now, I like a clean smell and occasionally gasp. Yes, I still even like to use bleach. I live out in the country. We have hard water. There are some people that are like, yeah, you're using cancer if you use bleach. I just feel like sometimes it's a necessary evil. It's like my favorite toilet bowl cleaner is the Works. And the only reason I love, love, love that, I do have some hard water stains here, but what I thought was on the inside is not. So I might actually pop my seal off there. That's better. I'd kind of just use my fingernails in there a little bit, not that I have any. That looks much better right through here. I've just really tried hard to get you guys some lighting to where you actually see those imperfections. Because I had a friend watch my other video and she was still skeptical because she said she didn't see any dirt or hard water marks on my shower when I did that last video. So, and it was really bad the other day and I was like, oh, I need to clean it. But I did clean the inside with some cleanser. Guys, that looks so much better. And then you guys had seen all the hard water spots and stains and things. My rug is sitting up here. I got the edge of it wet earlier by accident on the corner. So I sat it up there on the hamper just to dry. But there you go. No streaks. Let's take it from this direction. Oh yeah. In fact, I see some on this door now. It's like, okay, I gotta do this other door. But there you go. Proof that they do work. I'm gonna jump off here, finish cleaning the whole shower door system from the outside, and get this busy. We'll talk about some other cleaning things. I have a couple places that I think people forget when they deep clean or when they say they clean the bathroom. So I'll bring another video to you here soon. I'm uploading one now from being outside. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hit like, hit subscribe, share with your friends. Talk to you soon. Oh, that looks so much better. Bye, guys.